Hello everyone, this is KC868-AG. This video I will show you our new product. This is KC868-AG. Maybe you will ask us, this appearance is very similar as the KC868-G. But we have redesigned this box. This is a gateway. It has the RF wireless module and the IR signal, the transmit and receive module inside of this box. So that we have redesigned this box used mainly by the ESP32. So it will be very easy to integrate this box to the home assistant and by the ESPHome, so that you can control your air conditioning, control your TV, and control your IR device very easily by the ESPHome. So you can use this box to control any IR device and any RF 433 MHz device, such as some wireless module and some wireless relay and some wireless curtain and motor. Just it can send the RF signal out and it can receive the RF signal to this box. So you can use this integrate to home assistant very easily. And let's look at what is inside of this box and the PCB. Hello, let's look at this KC868-AG. This is our new product. This is an example. So this appearance is as same as the KC868-G, but this time we designed this gateway used by ESP32, so you can integrate to home assistant by ESPHome very easy, and you can write code for Arduino IDE. And let's take the pack. This is inside, and this is the PCB board. And this board, you can see, have many results. And this is the IR transmit, and the 433 MHz transmit, and this is receive module for RF. And this is the ESP32, and this is the speak. You can write the code for beep. And this is the free GPIO you can use on the PCB board. We can see this will be clearly RF receive module and RF send module and IR receiver. This is the IR receiver because we need to learning the IR signal. And this is the ESP32 module. It also supports the Bluetooth. And this is IR transmit. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 IR transmit placed in different directions, so it can send the IR signal to every section. You can put this box on in front of your air conditioning or in front of your TV. And we can see this is a USB, the USB cable. Just you can connect a power for 5-volt DC, and this is a power LED, and there is a reset. You can see this is a reset button. This reset button just for the module, the ESP32 reset. And this is the results you can integrate to ESPHome very easily. And we can also write the demo source code and the ESPHome source code configuration for you. We can do it and upload it to our form. You just directly to use it. It will be very easy. Okay, this is the KC868-AG board. Okay, this is the new product of the KC868-AG. The Kinkoni development team is work hard, and we are developing some new products. And I will think we will have some new products soon and have some big criteria and give you some good ideas for your project. And we will come back soon. Okay, thanks for watching.